Hello everyone, welcome to MATLAB tutorial. In this lecture, I am going to explain how to generate diagonal matrix, block diagonal matrix, upper triangular matrix, lower triangular matrix, and Hilbert matrix. In previous lecture, I explained how to defining special matrices in MATLAB. That is x equal 1 sub 2 comma 2. It generates a 2 cross 2 matrix of ones. This is the answer. X equal 1 1 1. Y equal 0 of 5 comma 3. It generates a 5 into 3. That means 5 by 3 matrix of zeros. This is the answer. It have in 5 rows and 3 columns. Next one is Z equal to I of 4. It generates a 4 by 4 identity matrix, that is Z equal to 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. Today I am going to explain generation of diagonal matrix. For example, I am taking V equal to 1 2 3 4 vector. These are the numerical values 1 2 3 4. For generating diagonal matrix, uh, I am taking in the syntax, that is A equal to diag diag of V. It generates a square matrix. That means uh, the elements are 4, so it generates 4 by 4 square matrix with elements of V placed in its diagonal. See this answer. In this diagonal, having the given numbers, that is 1 2 3 4. For example, I am taking another syntax, that is B equal to diagonal of V comma 2. Diag of V comma 2. It generates a square matrix with elements of V placed in second diagonal above the main diagonal. This is the 1 2 3 4 the main diagonal. In this, zeros are the main diagonals. This is the first diagonal. This is the second diagonals. It also generates uh, 3 4 5 6 6 by 6 square matrix. The elements of V placed in second diagonal above the main diagonals. That is 1 2 3 4. Another syntax is C equal to diagonal of V comma minus 2. It generates a square matrix with elements of V placed in second diagonal below the main diagonal. This is the main diagonal, this is the first diagonal. Minus indicates below the main diagonal, plus indicates above the main diagonal. Another syntax is D equal diagonal of V comma minus 2. Generates a square matrix with elements of V placed in third diagonal below the main diagonal. See the answer. This is the main diagonal, this is the first diagonal, second diagonal, this is the third diagonal. V placed in third diagonal below the main diagonal. Uh, Next one is block diagonal matrix. If you want, uh, if you want the details about diagonal matrix, block diagonal matrix, you can type in command window, that is help block diag, BLKDIAG. In command window, it display the clear details about block diagonal matrix. Block diag means block diagonal concatenation of matrix inputs arguments. That means it it clubs it clubs uh, it clubs the different matrix. That means A B C in single matrix, that is y equal to block diag of A comma B C produce A 0 0 0 B C 0 B 0 0 0 C. A B C are the minor matrices. For example, I am taking A equal to 1 2 semicolon 3 4, B equal 1 2 3 semicolon 4 5 6 semicolon 7 8 9, C equal to 1 is to 4, 5 is to 8 semicolon 9 is to 12 semicolon 13 is to 16. That means 1 2 3 4, 5 is to 8 means 5 6 7 8, 9 is to 12 means 9 10 11 12, 13 is 16 means 13 14 15 16. For writing syntax for black diagonal matrix, D equal to black diag of A comma B comma C. It displays this answer, that is This is the A matrix, that is 1 2 3 4. Uh, this is the A matrix. This is the B matrix. This is the C matrix. It clubs different matrices and forms single matrix. Next one is generation of upper triangular matrix. If you want clear details about upper triangular matrix for writing syntax or generating this matrix, in command window type help TRU. That means upper triangular matrix. TRIU. TRIU. Tri-U of X is the upper triangular part of X. Triangular tri-U of X comma K is the elements on the above kth diagonal of X. For example, for k equals 0 is the main diagonal, k greater than 0 is the above main diagonal, k less than 0 is below the main diagonal. For example, I am taking one matrix that is A equal to random of 6. That it displays 6 by 6 random elements. B equal to tri U of A, extract upper triangular part of A. C equal to tri U of A comma 3. It extracts the elements on and above the third diagonal of A. D equal to tri U of A comma minus 1. It extracts the elements on the above the minus 1th diagonal of A. Next one is generation of lower triangle matrix. If you want clear details about lower triangle matrix, you can type try L in command window. It displays the clear details about lower triangle matrix in MATLAB. Try L means extract lower triangle part. Trial of x is the lower triangular part of x. Trial of x comma k is the elements on and the below the kth diagonal of x. K equals 0 means the main diagonal, k greater than 0 is the above the main diagonal, and k less than 0 is the below the main diagonal. For example, I am taking A equal random of 6, B equal try L of A, extract the lower triangle part of A, C equal try L of A comma minus 1, it extract the elements on and below the minus 1 diagonal of A. D equal trial of A comma minus 4, it extract the elements on and below the minus 4th diagonal of A. E equal trial of A comma 2, it extracts the elements on and below second diagonal of A. In this last one is generation of Hilbert matrix. If you want clear details about Hilbert matrix, you can type help space Hilb, HILB in command window. It displays the clear details about Hilbert matrix. Hilb of n is the n by n matrix with elements 1 by I plus j minus 1. I means number of rows, row position, and j means column position minus 1, which is a famous example of a badly conditioned matrix. For example, I am taking A equal Hill, Hill, Hilbert 2 generates a 2 by 2 Hilbert matrix. A equal to starting one is 1. That means the position is 1 comma 1. I 1 plus j plus 1, 1 minus 1 0, 1 by 1 is 1. Next one is 1 by this the second element first row and second element 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 means 3 minus 1. 1 by 2 means 0 0.5. Similar to 1 by this is the second row and first column element 1 by 1 plus 2. That means second row 2 plus 1 minus 1. That means 1 by 2 it gives 0.500. This is the second row and second column element 1 by 2 plus 2 minus 1, that means 1 by 3, that equals 0.3333. B equal Hilbert 3 generates a 3 by 3 Hilbert matrix. Mm, This is the C equals Hilbert 6 generates a 6 by 6 Hilbert matrix. Now we execute this syntax in MATLAB. Now opening MATLAB software. In the first one is generating generation of diagonal matrix. I am taking one variable that is v equal to 1 2 3 4. Enter. A equal to diagonal of v. Now copy this and paste this command window. It generates a square matrix with elements of v placed in its diagonal. See this answer. It displays numbers of v placed in its diagonal only. I am taking another syntax that is b equal to diagonal of v comma 2. Uh, it generates a square matrix with elements of v placed in second diagonal above the main diagonal. This is the main diagonal, this is the first diagonal, this is the second diagonal. It displays the elements of v placed in second diagonal of above main diagonal. I am taking another syntax that is c equal to diagonal of v minus 3. C equal to diagonal of v comma minus 3. See the see this answer. It generates a square matrix with elements of V placed in third diagonal below the main diagonal. This is the main diagonal, this is the first diagonal, second diagonal, this is the third diagonal. It generates a square matrix with elements of V placed in third diagonal below the main diagonal. Uh, Next one is block diagonal matrix. Help block diagonal. See this helper block diagonal concatenation of matrix input arguments. That means it produces a 0 0 so on up 0 b so on up 0 0 0 so on up. I'm taking one now. Clear the variables. So clear all, type clear all in small letters, clear all. I'm taking a matrix that is a equal to 1 space 2 semicolon 3 space 4. It generates one 2 by 2 square matrix. Now taking another matrix that is b equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now copy and paste in command window. This is the b matrix. Now also take c matrix that is 1 is to 4 means first row 1 2 3 4 elements, second row 5 is to 8 means it generates 5 to 6 5 to 8 elements, third row 9 is to 12 means it generates 9 10 11 12 elements, fourth row means 13 to 13 is 13 colon 6. It generates elements from 13 to 16 in fourth row, that is 13 14 15 16. Now write the syntax for block diagonal matrix that is D block BLK of ABC, block dag of ABC. See the answer. This is the A matrix, this is the B matrix, this is the C matrix. It uh, club the given matrices and forms a single matrix. Matrices A, B, and C are placed as blocks in the diagonal of matrix that is D. Next one is upper triangular matrix. Help try u. This is the clear details about upper triangle matrix. Try u extracts upper triangle part. Try u of x is the upper triangle part of x. Try u of x comma k is the elements on and above the kth diagonal of x. For example, now clear the variables. Clear all. Now I'm taking one. I'm creating one matrix that is A equal to rand of 6. Rand of 6 means it generates 6 by 6 matrix. In this all elements are generated randomly. This is the random of 6. That means it generates 6 by 6 square matrix. Uh, Now write the syntax for extracts upper triangle part of A. B equal to try u of A. See this answer. It extracts upper triangle part of A. Uh, Below the main diagonal part, all elements are zeros. Next one, C equal to try u of A comma 3. This means extract the elements on and above the third diagonal of A. Let us see this answer. It displays extract the elements on and above the third diagonal of A. This is the first diagonal, second diagonal, third diagonal. Next one is D equal to try u of A comma minus 1. Let's see see the answer. Extract the elements on and above the minus 1th diagonal of A. This is the main diagonal. This is the minus 1th diagonal. Remaining elements are zeros. Next one is lower triangular matrix. If you want clear details about lower triangle matrix, now type help space try L in command window. It displays the clear details about lower triangle part. Trial means extract lower triangle part. Trial of x is the lower triangular part of x. Trial of x comma k is the elements on and below the kth diagonal. Let us see the examples. Now now type clear all in command window for clear the variables in workspace. Now I'm taking a equal to rand of 6. It generates 6 by 6 square matrix. I'm taking the syntax for lower triangle part of A. B equal to trial of A. See the answer. It extracts lower triangle part of A. Next one is C equal trial of A comma minus 1. It extracts the elements on and below the minus 1th diagonal of A. This is the main diagonal. This is the minus 1th diagonal. Remaining all elements are zeros. Next one is trial of A comma minus 4. This means extract the elements on and below minus 4th diagonal of A. This is the first diagonal, second diagonal, third diagonal. This is the below the minus 4th diagonal of A are values, remaining are all are zeros. Now I am taking another example. E equal to uh, try L of A comma 2. This means extract the elements on and below the second diagonal of A. This is the main diagonal, first diagonal, second diagonal. Extract the elements on and below the second diagonal of A. Above the second diagonal of A are zeros. Last one is Hilbert matrix. Um, Now help Hilb in command window. Hilb means Hilbert matrix. H equal Hilb of n is the n by n matrix with elements 1 by I plus j minus 1, which is a famous example of a badly conditioned matrix. Examples. Now write the syntax for Hilbert matrix. A equal Hilb of 2. It generates a 2 by 2 Hilbert matrix. We know what is Hilbert matrix. You can generate the matrix by this principle, that is each and every element generated with the help of this formula, that is 1 by I plus j minus 1. I means row position, j means column position minus 1. This is the 1 by 1 plus 1 minus 1, that means 1. This is the 1 by first row second column 1 plus 2 minus 1, that answer is minus 0.5000. Similar to generate the remaining element, that is second row first column second row and second column. I'm taking another example. B equal Hilbert 3. This is the generate 3 by 3 Hilbert matrix. For example, I'm taking another variable, that is Hilbert 6. I hope this is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.